Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we reset Wi-Fi setting in a Realme phone. Guys, you want to reset your Wi-Fi setting in a Realme phone, so then how can you reset? In this video I will show you how to reset Wi-Fi setting. So before starting video, when first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So when first of all we will turn on our phone setting to reset our Wi-Fi setting. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys this type of setting in your Realme phone. So friends, click on guys your system setting and just again scroll. Friends, you can see backup and reset option. Tap here, guys click on your reset phone. Friends, you can see your reset setting, Wi-Fi reset setting, and you will tap here to reset network setting. Tap here, then guys your setting will reset in your Realme phone. So guys you can use guys your Wi-Fi without any problem guys. Guys, you want to connect your network, you can connect from here. So like that guys, you can reset your Wi-Fi setting in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends, bye.